Hari Om, good evening, Namaste. Welcome to our theory class about asanas conducted by Swami Vivekananda Yoga, Mancherial, Telangana, India, which is affiliated to VYASA, a part of SVYASA Yoga, University, Bangalore. You sit in Sthitila Dandasana, just legs apart, half meter in between the both feet. Take your hands back, collapse your shoulders and close your eyes. So this is the Sthitila Dandasana relaxation sitting posture. Second asana, Shashankasana. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. This is Dandasana, ready to do. 8 count asana. 1, hold the right leg under your right buttock, full inhale. 2, hold your left leg under your left buttock, complete exhale. 3, take your both hands back, catch the right wrist with the left palm, inhale, expand your chest, bend your head back. And exhale, 4, bend forward without rising your buttocks. Try to touch forehead to the ground. Now maintain Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Do not move your body. Just you focus on your body parts. Normal breathing. Punch. Inhale. Come to sitting position. Observe the heavy blood flow from your head to neck, thoracic region. Reversed blood flow from your heart, from your head to the heart. Che. Complete exhale, release the both hands. Sat. Full inhale, release the right leg. And Aat, complete exhale, release the left leg. Just relax in Sthitila Dandasana. By bending forward, enhance the blood flow to your head region. Therefore, your brain should be refreshed, mind should be calmed down, and releases the happy hormones, serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, endorphins, melatonin, like that. When the happy hormones releases, improve the concentration and memory, and improve the function of your pituitary gland, which is master gland, which is located in your brain. Therefore, overall endocrine system will be activated and relieves the headache, migraine. By bending forward, beautiful massage to your thoracic area, improve the functioning of your lungs, improve your breathing, removes the breathing ailments like asthma, lungs allergy. By bending forward, beautiful massage to your abdominal organs. So therefore, stimulate your all important organs, pancreas, kidneys, liver, large intestine, small intestine, etc., etc. Improves the functioning of the all important organs. This is the good asana control to type 2 diabetes. By bending forward, beautiful massage to your backbone, strengthen your backbone, strengthen your back nerves, strengthen your back muscles, and removes the gastric trouble, removes the constipation, improve your digestion, enhance the blood flow to your excretory system, genetical organs. Those who are suffering with menstrual disorders, this is highly beneficial. and strengthen your ankles, calf muscles, kneecaps, thighs. All these are the benefits. You see, type is the sitting, category is the cultural, counts are the 8. Complementary posture is the Supta Vajrasan. So back bending asana. Now benefits: enhance the blood flow to your head, stimulates the brain, okay, flexibility to the spine, knees and ankles, good for breathing ailments. These are the benefits as per your text book. Limitations: those who are suffering with severe gastric problems and peptic ulcer people should not do this asana. Okay. Now key points: while bending forward, allow the abdomen to touch the thighs, chest to knees and forehead to the ground. Try to maintain your forehead should touch the ground. Try as much as you comfort. Okay. Hips in contact with the heels, shoulders loose, free and relaxed. While coming up, first head rises up, then the chest, then the abdomen. These are the key points. Okay. Now, third asana, Supta Vajrasan. You sit in Shitila Dandasan. Now, come to Sthiti. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. Ready to do. 1. Ekam. Full inhale. Hold your right leg under a right buttock. Dve. 2. Complete exhale. Hold your left leg under your left buttock. You are in Vajrasana. Now, 3. Partial inhale. Bend back with your elbows support. And 4. Full inhale. Touch your head. Stretch your both hands above the head. Cross your both hands around the head. Now join your knees. Observe the beautiful stretching at your thighs, lower abdomen. You maintain as much as you comfort. When you are getting miserable pain, suffering pain, then come back to the sthiti. Okay. 5. Full inhale. Take your both hands side of the legs. 6. Complete exhale. Come to sitting position. 7. Full inhale. Release the right leg. And 8. Complete exhale. Release the left leg. Just relax in Shitila Dandasana. Observe the changes in your body. The benefits of the Supta Vajrasanasana makes your ankles, calf muscles, kneecaps, thighs strengthen. If there is any excess fat at your thighs and below the navel, lower abdomen, reduce the fat like a ice. If there is no fat, your thigh muscles, calf muscles, lower abdomen muscles becomes strong. Now, strengthen your lower back, lumbar region, L3, L4 discs. Beautifully massaged by practicing the Supta Vajrasan. Therefore, enhance the blood flow to your lumbar region. Those who are suffering with lower back pain, sciatica pain, this asana very highly beneficial. And also enhance the blood flow to your lower abdomen, below the navel. Therefore, improve the functions of the below navel organs, especially excretory system, genetical system. So, Supta Vajrasanasana type is sitting, category is the cultural, counts are the 8, complementary posture is the Shashankasana. Okay, now benefits: increases the flexibility of the backbone by bending back, enhance the blood flow to your backbone, beautiful massage to your backbone, therefore improve the flexibility to the backbone and strengthen our back nerves and strengthen our back muscles also. Total back massaged. Stimulates the spinal nerves, stimulates the back muscles. Okay, improve digestion by a beautiful massage to your lower abdomen and also navel region. Therefore, improves the digestion, removes the constipation, and mobilizes the hips, ankles, and the lower back. These are the benefits. Limitations: heart problems, back problems, spondylosis, people should not do. Key points: in the final position, both knees together and on the ground. In the final position, you should not spread your knees. Try to maintain, touch your knees like this. Back of the head on the ground. These are the key points.